If you're looking for a way to transform your Kendall home with more light, better views, and improved energy efficiency, Picture Windows might be exactly what you need. Known for their large, unobstructed glass panes, Picture Windows create a sense of openness and connection with the outdoors, a feature that perfectly complements Kendall's sunny climate and beautiful surroundings. Let's explore the top benefits of installing Picture Windows in your Kendall residence and why so many local homeowners are choosing this timeless upgrade. More natural light for a brighter home. One of the most noticeable benefits of Picture Windows is the abundance of natural light they bring into your home. Kendall's bright, sunny weather makes these windows a perfect choice for maximizing daylight without relying on artificial lighting. Large, fixed panes allow light to flood into your living spaces, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Whether it's your living room, kitchen, or master bedroom, Picture Windows can make any area feel more open, airy, and vibrant. Expansive outdoor views. Picture Windows are designed to do exactly what their name implies: frame the perfect view. If your Kendall home overlooks a lush backyard, pool area, or tropical landscape, a Picture Window turns that scenery into living art. Because these windows don't have grids or moving parts, they offer wide, uninterrupted views. They're ideal for homeowners who love natural beauty and want to enjoy the outdoors from the comfort of their air-conditioned interiors. Energy efficiency. In Kendall's climate, you might think that large windows could lead to higher energy costs, but modern Picture Windows are built with energy efficiency in mind. Quality Picture Windows feature insulated glass, low-E coatings, and airtight seals that prevent unwanted heat transfer. For Kendall homeowners, this means your home stays cooler in the summer and more comfortable year-round, without overworking your HVAC system. The result? Lower energy bills and a smaller environmental footprint. Because Picture Windows don't open or close, they also provide an excellent seal against drafts and moisture, offering one of the most energy-efficient window designs available today. Low maintenance and durability. Unlike windows that open and close, Picture Windows have no moving parts. This makes them incredibly durable and easy to maintain. You won't need to worry about hinges, tracks, or mechanical failures over time. All you'll need is an occasional cleaning to keep your glass clear and beautiful. This low-maintenance design makes Picture Windows ideal for busy Kendall homeowners who want long-lasting style with minimal upkeep. Increased home value and curb appeal. Installing Picture Windows can also boost your home's curb appeal and overall value. Their sleek, modern design gives your property a fresh, upscale appearance. Potential buyers appreciate the natural light, energy efficiency, and visual impact these windows provide, all of which can make your home stand out in the Kendall market. When paired with other window styles, such as casement or sliding windows, Picture Windows can create a custom architectural look that enhances both the interior and exterior of your home. Enhanced comfort and peace of mind. Picture Windows not only improve the way your home looks, they also improve how it feels. With airtight sealing and superior insulation, they reduce noise from outside, creating a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Whether you live near a busy street or just want to enjoy your home's tranquility, Picture Windows provide an added layer of comfort and calm. Brighten your Kendall home with Picture Windows. For homeowners in Kendall, Picture Windows are more than just a design choice. They're an investment in comfort, efficiency, and lasting beauty. From panoramic views to lower energy bills, the benefits of installing Picture Windows are both immediate and long-term. If you're considering a window upgrade, talk to a local Kendall window installation professional who understands the area's climate and can recommend the best energy-efficient options for your home. With expert installation and quality materials, your new Picture Windows will bring light, beauty, and value to your home for decades to come.